Carolina Cardona. I'm from Colombia, but I've been living here in UK for around 9 years, working as a project engineer within the automation team in ABB Motion. I work with control systems in a variety of automation projects for different industries, and usually the project execution starts with an inquiry from the customer, then coming up with a solution, configuring and testing the logic here in the office, and then the installation and commissioning of the system on site. ABB is a global technology leader with operations in more than 100 countries. Through history, it has been pioneer in many of the technologies that have been crucial for the development of the modern world. It is divided into 4 business areas, which are electrification with power distribution solutions, motion with a portfolio of drives, motors, generators, and motion control solutions, process automation with integrated automation for process and energy industries and marine applications, and robotics. I was particularly interested in audio systems, so that is why my dream was to become a sound engineer, so I could work behind the big mixing console in a live concert or a recording studio. However, my original plan got kind of diverted into what it has become my professional career for the last 12 years when I discovered the area of automation and process control. Because this was a world that I was not aware of when I started engineering, but as I was looking to the different topics and lectures at university, I found this very interesting, and it's something that I feel really passionate about, and it's something that I really enjoy doing every day. So we have a complete loop that we can play with, and we have a lot of different signals that we can use in the drive to generate specific behavior on the motor. So it's really cool because with this one we can actually see some movement in here in the motors, and then it's something that we can play with and then we can use for testing our projects. I think one of my favorite projects is a wind tunnel for an aircraft model testing. So basically the wind tunnel is just a closed loop where we have on one side the test area where the experts can put the aircraft model with a lot of different sensors, so they can analyze the aerodynamics of the model under conditions for landing and takeoff. And then on the other side we have the main fan, which is responsible for generating that airflow to circulate around the tunnel for the testing. This project was very interesting for different reasons. Of course, one of them is the scale and the dimensions of the tunnel, which is 5 meters diameter, and also because we were responsible for providing the system for controlling the main fan and generate a stable airflow around the tunnel. But also because this tunnel was commissioned and constructed about 50 years ago, so it was really interesting to see the changes in the engineering, and if we face challenges nowadays where we have a lot of different computers and very resourceful equipment for controlling, it's very interesting to think how this was done 50 years ago. Is I know that it might be a bit overwhelming to take a career decision when finishing school, but I think the beauty of starting a career in engineering is that would be just the beginning of endless possibilities. I think studying engineering will give you the correct tools, skills and the mindset for problem solving that you can later use and apply to develop your own professional career in any of the many engineering fields.